Hey, I'm walking through our Archer's Mill subdivision. I'm here with my friend Chris. He's going to show us inside of the 4-bedroom Delray model.
Mike, you know they're going to love this one. This is by far one of our #1 homes out here in Archer's Mill. 2,034 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Come on this way.
Hey, Chris, come right inside.
Welcome inside Delray.
Can you show us a little bit about the bedrooms and bathrooms in Delray?
Absolutely. So over here to my left, you've got 2 guest bedrooms, a full guest bath.
All right, and then we're kind of going inside. Can you show us a little bit inside of the garage?
Yeah, absolutely. Full 2-car garage, 20 by 20.
And then what I noticed, my prospective buyers really love the space right behind me. Chris is going to show us the home office.
Yeah, you can't beat having a home office or a 4th bedroom. We've even got this one stage up for that perfectly. So if you work from home, you've got it.
And I actually have a couple clients that are using this space as a yoga studio. There's a laundry right behind me, right? So come right inside. I want to show you the big space that Delray offers.
Yeah, you gotta love this open concept, Mike.
Yeah, just take a look at the big open kitchen with the big island, 42-inch kitchen cabinets. Chris will open the pantry right over there, so all the cooks, if you bring a lot of pasta or water from Sam's Club or Costco, you have a space to store.
And how about the Quartz counters? All this is standard. There's no upgrades in here. So yours would be just like this.
Yeah, so this is a Freedom Series finishes instead of a Delray and Archer's Mill. So you get Quartz, 42-inch cabinets, sports countertops, and a crown molding. And just take a look at this amazing space. Chris is standing in the living room. I'm in the kitchen. So if you're prepping food, you want to watch your favorite football team, it's a perfect spot for entertaining.
How about hosting the holidays, Mike? You've got an 8-person table here, extra seating at the island, and you've got one of the largest lanais here on the rear.
And our clients absolutely love the 8-foot sliding doors to the lanai. This brings a lot of natural light, and then we're gonna step inside of the master bedroom. Just take a look. This is master bedroom. It's right in the back.
And this is a king-size bed, Mike. So look at how much room is in here. If you've got oversized furniture, no problem. This is perfect.
Yeah, definitely a large bedroom here for even those people downsizing. They were surprised how big this bedroom is. 2 closets, hers and hers. And take a look at this luxury bathroom. When you walk in, you have double vanity with quartz countertops and a big shower with a low threshold and a transom window right above.
And I love these luxury vinyl floors too. So if the water gets on it, super easy to clean, low maintenance, and it's definitely a little warmer underfoot than say tile.
Right, so we really appreciate you taking time and watching our video walkthrough of the Delray model in Archer's Mill. Reach out to me or Chris. We would love to show you one in the field. We have options with white or gray cabinets.
Can't wait to tour you. Have a great day.
Yeah, just click on the link below and reach out to us very, very soon.